Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen, and I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay. So if you recognize these lines, then I'm extremely sorry, nothing has changed. Because see, you can see that market is still struggling to cross this resistance level. Anyways, let's do the analysis first. If we just look at this chart, we can easily see that market is in a range right now. Okay, you can see that market is in a range. Market was trying to cross this level, but market failed. Whenever market was trying to cross this level, market failed every time, and market came down and took support at this price level. So this level has become the resistance for us, and this is the support for us. Okay, this level 108.59 on this price level is the support, and this level is a resistance for us. And we can see that just couple of days ago market tried to cross this particular resistance level. Okay. But as I always say, we should always wait for the confirmation. Okay, so though market, okay, let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in and show you. You can see that though market crossed this resistance with a huge candle. Okay, but the next candle, okay, the next candle, you can see that it was a red one. After that, market formed a green candle again, but again market formed a red candle. As I always say, we should always wait for the confirmation. We should always wait for the market to trade comfortably. Okay, we should always wait for the confirmation of this resistance is equal to support. So we can see that, or we saw, when market crossed this resistance, okay, market was not trading comfortably, rather it was struggling. Okay, so resistance was not, could not become the support, and as a result this thing happened, this big red candle, and market came down. That's why confirmation is important. Okay, and after that market went up again today, but again market failed. Okay, again market to fail to sustain above the resistance, and again market came down, and right now market is trading below the resistance level. Let's jump to the weekly chart and let me show you. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see that weekly chart market is trading at the resistance level. Okay, and this resistance level is extremely important because market is unable to cross this resistance for the last 6 weeks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, for 7 weeks, almost 2 months. For 2 months market is struggling to cross this level, and market is unable to cross. Therefore this level is extremely crucial, extremely important, and extremely strong. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, so let's discuss this strategy. If you have watched my other videos on USD JPY, then you know what I'm going to say, because see, things have not changed much. Okay, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, then I'll tell you what you need to do. Okay, see, this is the resistance and these are the support levels. Okay, so right now market is trading at the resistance level, so there is a good possibility that market will cross this level, or market will try to cross this level again. And I have already clearly shown you on the weekly chart that how crucial or important this level is, because the market is trying to cross this level for last 7 weeks, and sellers are there in the market who are not allowing the market to cross this level. So in case market crosses this level also, okay, and seeing this price struggle today and before also, there is no doubt that this level is extremely strong. Therefore, in case market crosses this level, wait for at least 2 candles. Okay, wait for at least 2 candles and just try to observe the market. Okay, try to study the chart, try to read the emotion, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is struggling again, okay, market is forming small candle, red candles, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, though market has crossed the resistance, but market is still struggling, the price is still struggling, then you should not buy. Okay. If you see that market is trading comfortably, no price struggle, then you'll get the confirmation that resistance has become the support. Then only you should go for buy order. Otherwise, if you see that price is struggling, then you'll get the signal that the resistance has not become support yet, so you should not buy. Okay. So wait for the market to cross this level, then you will get the opportunity. So this is your first buying opportunity or the first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity is, in case market comes down, then you'll get the opportunity at this support level. So these two levels, 108.59 and 108.3. Okay, these two levels were acting as a support to the market in case market comes down. Okay, let's assume market starts coming down, then just observe the price at the support level. If you see that market has taken support at any of this level and prices being rejected from below, market is forming hammer kind of candlestick pattern, or market has formed a green candle, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the resistance level is still a valid one, market is getting the required support. Sorry, this support level is a valid one and market is getting the required support at this level, and you can go for a buy order. You can go for buy order at the support level. And if you find market trading between these two lines, somewhere around here, then you should not go ahead and go for any order, because see, if you go ahead and place buy or sell order here, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as I always say, never ever compromise with your trading discipline. Therefore, only go for the safe trades, okay, the best trades, and the best trading opportunities are at the support level or at the resistance level above. Okay. This, so these two are the best trading opportunities in USD JPY. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.